boys and girls, it's Mrs. Madore. I am so excited that you wanted to conduct this rock candy experiment at home. As you can see, this is my final product, and I'm going to go through each step with you guys so you can see how I did my rock candy at home. Now, I'd like to show you what I'm starting off with. I am going to do mine in a pot on the stove to boil. Some of you may be doing it in the microwave, and that is completely fine. So I have my sugar, I've got my water already measured out, I've got a cup, I have my glass jar. I need to get a little creative, and I use a popsicle stick and a hair clip, and that's gonna go in there just like that. Now, something that's optional is you can use food coloring, or you could just do it clear sugar, that's fine. But I actually have this really cool flavoring, watermelon flavor, so we're gonna see how that works out. Yeah, so this is basically what you're going to need to do the experiment. This was actually a little note that was included in the video. So supposedly they put the stick in the water just a little bit and coat it with sugar, and I think that's going to help the crystals start forming when you have your solution ready. So I say to put that to the side to dry, and we're gonna let that hang out there while we do the rest of our experiment. So our next step is to pour in our water, our 1 cup, and our 2 to 3 cups of sugar. I'm just gonna stick with 2 cups because that is already a lot, but feel free to add 3. And I'm going to mix this together. You're going to mix it up for a little while because you want to create a solution and you want some of that sugar to dissolve. After you've mixed that in for a little while, you're going to put that on the burner and bring it to a boil. You are definitely going to need an adult to help you with this. Now that our mixture is boiling, this would be a good time to just kind of stir it a little bit more to make sure that all of the sugar in there is dissolved and mixed in. This is also a good time to turn the burner off and add the food coloring or flavor if you planned on adding it in. Now we are going to take our boiled solution and carefully put it into our glass container. Next, take your stick that was lightly coated in sugar, and you are going to place it into the mixture in a way that it'll stay. Experiment, so I had to play around with it a little bit. You'll see that you don't want the mixture to be too high because eventually you might want to eat this. So you'll need some room on your stick where there won't be any sugars that crystallize. So I guess we're gonna leave it be and see what happens in a week or 2.